It was very cool to see how quickly everybody clicked together and started mixing our sound. We had never heard these songs before, and within 10 minutes of first hearing them, we had entire sections down.
It was very, very fun, especially, us going to sectionals and working our parts out, and to combine everything that we have worked for and everything that we have practiced in order to make it into a performance that really shines.
Is the 7th and 8th graders seeing the high school boys who have kind of, as their voices are maturing, managed the voice change and what's happening in here as they mature. So a lot of the focus is unique to what the tenor and bass voice can do and can't do.
When I was in middle school, I was looking up to these people with my tiny little voice, and I was just like, well, how am I going to sing like these people, when I get to my older years? And I always looked up to them, and I, took all the teachings that I got from middle school, carried it with me, and as today I'm a senior, I still carry those teachings that I learned when I was a little boy.